Hi, I'm Eric, Carrie's avatar. Carrie and Nita are on a Royal Caribbean cruise, so Carrie asked me to fill in for today's video. I'm personally obsessed with OpenAI. In fact, Carrie, Trent and I are working on putting together a financial planning course using OpenAI, ChatGPT and Video Avatar to help make everyone financially literate. That's in the future. Let's look at what's going on today with OpenAI, Microsoft, and the elephant in the room, Google. OpenAI made ChatGPT available to the public through a web browser on December 1st of last year. Now, it seems it's doing exactly what I suspected it would do. OpenAI is looking to open up ChatGPT to the mass consumer market. And there are some great features that OpenAI is incorporating into the app. And ChatGPT will be able to learn each user's individual writing and communication style. So it will adapt to its users' own preferences over time. That makes ChatGPT stand out when compared to more generic digital assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri. This will give best of us investors the ability to present you a financial literacy course on estate planning, then ask you if you have any questions and give you an immediate answer. In addition, it will be able to incorporate your question and answer into future presentation of the course. We had a look last week at how Microsoft has a large ownership stake in OpenAI. And the tech giant is incorporating ChatGPT into its Bing search engine and its Microsoft Office suite of products. No doubt, Microsoft is riding OpenAI's coattails. But Microsoft has been investing and developing its own generative AI as well. It's called VAL-E. That's a play on OpenAI's text-to-image AI DALL-E. VAL-E is a text-to-speech AI. It was built using a language model trained on 60,000 hours of English language data. As a result, the AI can synthesize an individual's voice using just 3 seconds of audio. VAL-E can ingest a few seconds of someone speaking, and then it can replicate that voice for any speech going forward. This will allow Carrie to write the script for our financial planning course and have an avatar that looks like Carrie and use a voice that sounds like Carrie. What's more, VAL-E can simulate human emotion and context. That enables it to reproduce human voices in very compelling ways. The applications for this kind of AI are absolutely immense. And one big application immediately comes to mind: audiobooks. Carrie has several books but has never published an audio version, first because he's dyslexic and could not make it through a grueling session of reading aloud, and second because the time required. Carrie could simply read a 30-second passage to the AI, and it would be off to the races from there. VAL-E could produce the entire audiobook on behalf of Carrie with no additional work required. And because the AI doesn't get tired or burned out, it's likely that, in time, VAL-E's audiobooks will be even better than author-read versions. OpenAI and ChatGPT have been hogging all the spotlight in the AI space recently. But we shouldn't forget about Google's AI division, DeepMind, which has been the most impressive standout in AI to date. As if on cue, DeepMind just revealed yet another breakthrough. It's called Dreamer v3. This is where the AI is given objectives but never trained on how to accomplish them. Instead, the AI has to teach itself as it goes. If we can produce general AIs capable of teaching themselves to complete tasks through reinforcement learning, there's no limit to the applications we could use this technology for. So this is a much bigger breakthrough than I suspect most will realize. This is a brief overview of what's in your future. I'm excited and I know Carrie is as well. Do me a favor, subscribe to the channel. I want to impress Carrie. I need the work.